Stop chasing payments and start getting paid effortlessly with Wise's easy payment request feature. First things first, open up your Wise app or head to their website. You'll see a couple of options on your dashboard. We're interested in request money. So go ahead and tap or click on that. Now, you'll be taken to the request money screen. Here's where you tell Wise exactly what you need. Start by entering the amount you'd like to request next. Select the currency you want to be paid in. This is super useful if someone owes you in a different currency than your own. Next, you need to tell Wise who you're requesting money from. You can usually pick from your contacts if they're already on Wise, or you can manually enter their email address or phone number. Don't worry if they're not on Wise yet. You can still send them a request, and Wise will guide them through the process. It's a good idea to add a note. This is where you can specify what the payment is for example, for dinner last Friday or invoice 123. This helps everyone keep track. Once you've filled in all the details, hit continue. Before you send it off, take a moment to review everything. Check the amount, the currency, and the recipient's details. Make sure it's all accurate. If everything looks good, you're ready to send your request. And boom, your payment request is sent. The person you requested from will receive a clear email or message with all the details and a simple link to pay you directly through Wise. It's that easy to manage your money and get paid quickly, whether it's splitting bills with friends or receiving payments from clients. Mastering payment requests on Wise means less stress and more money in your account. Give it a try and simplify your cashless life.